In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a WordPress page using a code snippet. I'm using the code snippets plugin for my PHP code, but if you feel comfortable doing it from the function PHP file or your child theme, go ahead. Now let's go get the code. So I'm going to go to the code page, I'm going to scroll down to where it says duplicate page, and I'm going to click the PHP code button to copy the code. Next, I'm going to go back to my dashboard, snippets, add new, and I'm going to name it duplicate page. Make sure that you are in the function PHP tab and paste here the code. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click Save Changes and Activate. Now when I go to the Pages section and hover over a page, you're going to see that we have a new option, Duplicate. I'm going to click on it once, and as you can see, the page is duplicated. This way you save time and effort and don't need to start from scratch on a similar page. So that's it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace!